Welcome to my channel. How to test Wi-Fi interference on laptop, step by step. 1. Check Wi-Fi speed first. Open speed test on your browser and check your internet speed. If speed is lower than your plan, interference might be the reason. 2. Move closer to router. Take your laptop near the Wi-Fi router. If speed improves, distance or walls are causing interference. 3. Restart your router. Turn off your router for 1 to 2 minutes, then turn it back on. Sometimes temporary signal overlap gets fixed. 4. Check nearby devices. Look for devices like microwave, Bluetooth devices, cordless phones, smart TV. These can interfere with Wi-Fi signals. 5. Use Windows Wi-Fi Analyzer. On Windows, download a Wi-Fi Analyzer app from Microsoft Store. It shows nearby networks and signal strength. 6. Check signal strength. If signal shows weak, -70 dBm or lower, interference or obstruction may exist. 7. Change Wi-Fi channel. Log into your router settings, usually 192.168.1.1. Change Wi-Fi channel to less crowded 1, 1, 6, or 11 for 2.4 GHz. 8. Switch to 5 GHz band. If your router supports dual band, switch to 5 GHz. It has less interference than 2.4 GHz. 9. Disconnect extra devices. Too many connected devices can slow Wi-Fi. Disconnect unused phones, TVs, etc. 10. Test again. Run speed test again. If speed improves, interference was the problem. Pro tip: place router in open area, not inside cupboard or near metal objects. Thank you for watching.